Do you want your browsing in secret mode to stay completely private? Sometimes apps try to open links directly inside secret mode, which might not be what you want. Fortunately, Samsung lets you control this setting in the Samsung Internet app. To do so, open Samsung Internet app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, then tap Setting, tap Personal Browsing Data, tap Secret Mode Setting. Look for open links from other apps in secret mode. You can enable it if you want links from other apps to open automatically in secret mode, or disable it if you want to keep secret mode completely private. So links from other apps will not open inside secret mode. As the example, let's set it to off. Once this option is off, secret mode will stay private and apps will not be able to open links automatically inside it. This is perfect if you want full control over your private browsing session. And that's it. It's a small setting that makes a big difference for privacy in secret mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.